API economies, strategic value, and future trends. The technological landscape of 2026 has ushered in an era where organizational agility is propelled not by the internal capabilities of discrete software solutions, but by their capacity for seamless interconnectivity. At the heart of this transformation lies the API economy, a paradigm in which application programming interfaces are elevated from hidden infrastructure components to strategic cornerstones. The evolution of API utility reflects a broader shift. Modern enterprises configure their operational frameworks with a modularity and interchangeability reminiscent of Lego blocks. This composability empowers rapid experimentation, business model innovation, and hyper-personalized customer interactions. Strategically, the API economy unlocks value through interoperability. Rather than permitting data to stagnate within departmental silos, APIs facilitate the circulation of information across customer relationship management systems, analytics platforms, and advertising dashboards. Consider the architecture of a business that leverages RESTful APIs as its connective tissue. Through these standardized interfaces, it becomes possible to automate the journey of high-value insights. For instance, relaying a closed sale from a CRM directly into an ad platform for feedback. This closed-loop integration supports advanced methodologies such as offline conversion tracking, wherein real-world transaction outcomes inform digital bidding strategies. The firm no longer optimizes for superficial engagement metrics, but for true business impact as measured in revenue. The practice of real-time integration further differentiates the API-driven organization. Whereas traditional APIs are fundamentally request-based, one system periodically queries another for updates. Webhooks shift the dynamic to an event-driven paradigm. Here, updates are propagated the instant a triggering condition is satisfied. If a customer cancels a subscription or surpasses a spending threshold, a webhook proactively forwards this intelligence to downstream systems, such as marketing automation or support tools. This immediacy eradicates the latency between operational reality and system response, rendering customer experiences far more responsive and contextually appropriate. As these architectures grow in complexity, middleware platforms become indispensable. Technologies like Zapier make or enterprise-scale solutions such as MuleSoft function as intermediaries, translating and orchestrating data flows between heterogeneous systems. Middleware is essential to the composable architecture approach. By decoupling services, it imbues the digital environment with flexibility. Businesses can retire or introduce individual tools, e.g., changing analytic solutions, without overhauling the entire stack. The resulting topology is not a brittle, monolithic chain, but a robust and adaptive network. Looking to the horizon, the evolution of APIs is steering towards agentic and autonomous workflows. With the rise of AI-powered agents operating via APIs, the traditional boundaries between data exchange and business logic are blurring. These agents will not merely transport information. They will make autonomous decisions on the business's behalf, negotiating pricing agreements, reallocating budgets based on changing market signals, and updating records with insights derived from natural language and sentiment analysis. The strategist of tomorrow will engage less in direct operational oversight and more in the design, negotiation, and governance of API contracts that empower these digital agents. The API economy has thus redefined competitive advantage. Success is increasingly dictated by the architecture and agility of data flows, not the static features of software modules. Organizations that invest strategically in API integration, event-driven design, and middleware orchestration will be best poised to capture value in an environment where data and automation are the primary currencies of innovation.